Hey folks, so I am back with an unboxing. I got a box from Kimberly Jolly of Fat Quarter Shop and I'm going to open it. So if you'd like to see what the content is, come along, let's find out. All right, so are we ready? Let's get opening it. I'll show you what the box, just a box. Paper. Put the box aside. Oh. I got the Aurifil Advent Calendar. So, spoiler alert, we're going to open each one of them. So, again, if you do not want to see what's in this, please stop watching if you don't want to see what's in it. So I'm going to actually open each one of them to see what we have. And I don't know if Fat Quarter Shop has any more of them. It's possible. I think, you know, maybe you could go and check out her Fat Quarter Shop site, which I'll link down below. So, all right, so we took the plastic off of it. Cute box. And then it's just it's a magnetic closure, but we're gonna open it. And that's what it looks like in the inside. It's got 24 of them, and it says, heritage is at the heart of Aurifil's, where threads are not just materials, but the sense of creativity. Since 1983, we have embraced the rich traditions of Italian craftsmanship, perfecting our Egyptian cotton thread that is smooth and reliable. Nestled in the foothills of the Italian Alps, our headquarters boasts a daily panorama of the majestic mountain range. This natural splendor informed and influenced the selection of our Advent color palette, reflecting the aesthetic we embody. Oh, wonderful. All right, so we are going to open up each one and see what the colors are. Okay, again, I'll give you a warning. I'm going to open up each one of these. So if you don't want to see what's in the boxes, stop watching now. Okay, so we're going to look at one. And one is, it is 22.50, and it's like a red. See if it'll zoom in or not. Two, 21.35, and it's like a gold. I'm going to turn the light on above us. So let's see those again. So that's the gold. Or what I would call gold. 3, 11.26. It's kind of a gray blue. It's pretty. 4. 4 is 2525. And it looks like it's kind of like a blue. Kind of like a blue purple, maybe. They're very pretty. 2441 is almost like a pink. It's pretty. 6. 2890. It's like a green. 7. 2024. White. 8. 1231. 9. 6001. 10. 2658. It's kind of like a, maybe like a gray. I probably could take the plastics off all these, but 11. 2735. It's pretty. It's like a royal blue, maybe. 12. 5006. Almost looks like a turquoise or like a ocean blue or like a lighter blue-green. 13. 4093. That one's pretty. That one's pretty. It's like a green blue. 14. 3014. And it's like a baby pink. Might be hard to read, but it's like a very, very light pink color. 15. 2846. And this looks like Aurifil, it says floss, 18 yards, cotton. 16. 2545. Very pretty purple. Very pretty purple. 17. 2845. It's another color of green. It's pretty. 18. 4129. This is almost like a hunter green. Really dark green. 19. Oh, this color is pretty. 7710. It's like a baby blue. 2215. That's pretty too. It's almost like a rust color. It's pretty. 21, which is floss, 18 yards. 2326. 22. 5013. Gosh, it's almost like a very dark gray, I think. 23. 2768. Looks like it is a, maybe it's a black. And our last one, 24. Oh my gosh, this one's beautiful. 5002. This one's pretty. It's almost, I would say it's a salmon, but it looks so orangey on there. But it's really more red than what's really being picked up. But it's very pretty. All right. That was each one of our boxes. It's cute. The little boxes pull out. And then the threads inside each one of the boxes. It's a very nice sturdy box as well. All right. That was our Aurifil Advent Calendar. If you're interested in seeing if Fat Quarter Shop has another one of these available, I'll have the link down below. Feel free to go see if they have them available. If you like this content and would like to see more, please subscribe, and it also helps my channel grow. So give me a like and subscribe, and I will see you on the next video. Bye, folks.